My doorbell pinged at 3:12 a.m., and I live alone. I check my camera, and there's someone just standing on my porch, not moving. My heart's racing. Phone's at 3%. I zoom in, and the face blurs right when they turn. I text my neighbor, "You up?" No reply. So I grab the only weapon I own, a frying pan. I creep toward the door. The porch light flickers, and the shadow looks way too long. I count to 3 in my head. 1, 2. I open the door. And it's not a person. It's my Roomba, dragging my black hoodie, casting this creepy silhouette. It somehow started at 3 a.m., tangled itself, and pretended to be a 6-foot burglar. I almost called 911 on a vacuum.